Hello, Jamie here to talk about box breath, also known as square breath or Sama Vritti in the yogic tradition. There are many benefits to this breathing style. Firstly, it helps to down-regulate your nervous system. It lets your physiology know that it's safe and so that you can reach that parasympathetic place of rest and digest, calm and relaxation. So really good to help sleep, or if you just find you're feeling anxious or about to enter an anxious scenario. It is found to help with lung expansion, so really good for anybody who is a performer or into sports or who really just wants to breathe really well. And it's also really good for focus. So if you're finding you're tired in the middle of the day, it can help recharge your batteries. So the way it is done is in and out of the nose. You can be seated with a tall spine or lying down comfortably on your back. And you'll be breathing in through the nose for 4 seconds, holding your breath, so retention, holding the breath at the top for 4 seconds, exhaling for 4 seconds, and then retaining your breath at the bottom or holding there for 4 seconds. So it will look like this. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. That's one cycle of breath. You want to try and do at least 4 cycles of breath for therapeutic benefit. And you can do it for up to 10 minutes or for however how long you have. It's important also to mention that this breath should be mainly diaphragmatic. So you're really trying to breathe in and out of the belly, not so much out of the chest if that's possible. And if you find it difficult to do the 4-4-4-4, you can try doing counts of 3 or even 2. Join me in the next video to do this work together in a guided video. See you there.